Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for MATIC. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 1 hour time frame, we've had this very sideways structure for quite a while, then broke down, coming back to it, and now we're rejecting down again. So overall, what can this be? Let's check out the lowest or low time frame count, or the local time frame, and this one here. So we had a thought of this structure ending around the 12th of May for being the third of something, a third of minute at this point. Then we would have this as an A, B, C, D, E into the wave 4. Within B wave we had a B, C, D, E, again another triangle here, and then B, C, D, E. Now that is fine, I guess, as again this is indeed inside the B wave of this B wave, so it is an A, B and C, so it is not a complex structure in itself. So that would work out perfectly, and then we would have again this wave 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the bad thing about this is that we don't really have too good of a divergence here at these lows, at least on 1 hour. Let's see the other ones. 2 hours, so this is 2059, 21. Okay, so we have at least one divergence here on 2 hour time frame, so yeah, at least something. Again, this would conclude our wave 5 here, down at around 31.5 cents and at 19th of June. Then we had a 3-wave move up, and let me show you why I think it is a 3-wave structure. In here we're again 15 minute, we have a structure like this, then another structure that is overlapping with this previous one, so we can't have this as a 1, 2, 3. So indeed we have to say that 1, 2, 1, 2 or something, some corrective pattern. So then looking higher we would have again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, again can't be a 3 because this structure down here is overlapping with the previous one. So again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Does that make too much sense? Well, if you want to be a really big bullish scenario, I guess it would. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I think even these next structures did overlap. Yes, they did. So we would have to say another 1, 2. And then we can be starting to unravel this. So this would be again 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we would be unraveling the rest of these 1, 2s here. Of course, it is possible, but again, the best look I found overall would be this as some kind of a 3-wave structure here, then 3 waves and another 3 waves here into W, 3 waves down to X, and then another 3 waves into wave Y. At this point again we would get ourselves to around the 1.236 extension of this W wave for the wave Y here. Again, one of the good targets to hit with the wave Y. At that point again we are on a higher time frame. We have come back down to this previous wave 4 area where we had more volume going on. We did go beyond the point of control here, but again we basically just rejected off of this whole volume profile overall over here. So after that we have been starting to reject downwards again. Is this impulsive structure? To me it is not, at least not clear one. To me this looks more like a 3-wave structure here, another structure here, which again more 3-wave-ish. Very overlapping inside this range here, and 3 ways to end it as well. So yeah, it is definitely not very impulsive looking overall. Let me see. But yeah, 3 ways again overlap between the previous structures. So overall this whole structure screams more that is some kind of a correction. Whether it's a combination correction combined or correlated or related to this structure, we don't know about that yet. However, let's see if there was any kind of divergence. Not really here. And again, this was the highest high here. I had my alerts above this high, as I was expecting a new high, as we did create a very high RSI reading, and I wanted to create or get that divergence between this peak and the next one, but we did not get that, so I'm not shorting this at the moment. But again, if we were looking for this target, as I mentioned, at least on the Discord, I'm not sure if I had made a video about that, but at least we were talking about Discord, these setups for multiple different altcoins. We had these. So yeah, at some point, of course, they're going to be rolling over if they are indeed these corrective structures. Now, what is this structure overall part of? As this was the previous wave 5 ending, if we want to be bearish, we would be looking this as a third of something. Overall, on higher time frames, we have now created a daily divergence here between the third and the fifth here. So it is possible that we have ended something here within this possible A, B, and C. We can see a better structure here on arithmetic scale, where we are getting right around the 1-to-1 extension. On logarithmic scale, of course, we have gone well beyond that. And let's see, 2.618 maybe? Well, not yet. But again, it did extend a bit. So if we are playing this 5-way scenario here, in which 1, 2, this would be 3, 4, and 5, then we could be looking this local structure that we had, the WXY, as the wave 4. Now, what I don't like about that overall is the fact that wave 4 was so short in time. Now, I'm not expecting it to go too far higher in price, but again, this would be the area that I would be looking at. The 38.2, we did not reach that. That would be at 65 cents. Well, we did go beyond the 23.6 retracement of this third leg, so that is fine as well. Now, again, overall, I just don't like it, just because we don't have a clear alteration here between the wave 2 and this wave 4. So in wave 4, I would like to see some kind of wave extreme for this structure to go take out these lows, take another high, take out these lows or highs, and get right into this 38.2. That would be the perfect setup in my mind if we are indeed playing this wave 4. Now, again, as we were saying that this was a corrective pattern, 3-way structure, we could be expecting this to be a 3-way as well. It definitely starts with very corrective looking structures, so that would make more sense to me at the very moment that this indeed is still part of wave 4, and then when we are completed this 3-way structure in here, we would be looking again downwards within 5-way structures. Now, we'll see what happens, but again, that is my primary view at the moment. Of course, this is going to be the most brutal for retail traders, as we are going to be dropping down. People who have been taking longs in these medium highs or trying to buy the dip here, we would be just dropping down. They probably have their stops latest at this point if they are trying to trade it, so we would most likely get some kind of wick here and then start getting up, and then again around here somewhere they would be again enjoying the ride up or joining the rally, and then only to take a fail here again, taking these highs out and then dropping down again. But we'll see again what happens, but again, just speculation, nothing more. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share on MATIC at the moment. If you would like to share another account you have within MATIC, you can do that in the Discord. There's a link to my Discord server in the description below. If you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.